Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter in maths. That is lesson number 8. Learn to divide. It means that we are going to learn about division. Okay? Now, children, to understand division, just pay attention. What can you see? Can you see? There are some ice creams. How many ice creams are there, children? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ice creams. Now, children, we have to divide these ice creams in 2 equal groups. So, what are we going to do? So, let's start by giving one ice cream to each group. So children, from these 4 ice creams, I have given 1 ice cream to this group and 1 ice cream to the other group. Now we are left with 2 more ice creams. So we have to divide these ice creams also equally. So what are we going to do? Again, we are going to give 1 ice cream to this group and this 1 ice cream to the other group. So children, here we have divided these 4 ice creams equally in 2 groups. So in this way, each group gets 2 ice creams. So children, what do you understand from this? Just now we have learned how to divide equally. Okay, this is called division. When we divide something equally, it is called as division. Okay? So children, what did we do just now? To divide these 4 ice creams equally in 2 groups, we gave 2 ice creams 2 times, or 2 was subtracted 2 times from 4. Now children, I'll show you one more example. Here we have got some apples with us. Let's count how many apples are there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many apples are there? We have got 6 apples. And we have to divide these 6 apples equally in 3 groups. So how can we divide them equally in 3 groups? So let's start by giving one apple to these 3 groups. So now we are left with 3 more apples, isn't it? Here we have got 3 more apples. Again we have to give one apple to each group. Let's give. So children, this way each group gets 2 apples. Okay? So children, to divide 6 apples equally in 3 groups, what we did? We took out 3 apples 2 times. Or we can say that 3 was subtracted 2 times. How? Just look here. First we subtracted 3 from 6. Look here. We gave one apple to all these groups. That means we subtracted 1, 2, 3. 3 from these 6 apples. Then we were left with 3. Okay? We were left with 3 apples. So again we gave one apple to these three groups. That means again we subtracted 3. So we finally got 0. That means we distributed these 6 apples equally in 3 groups. So children, what do you understand from this? We understand that division is repeated subtraction. Okay, see over here, 3 was subtracted 2 times, no? To divide it equally. So it is repeated subtraction. Understood? So I hope this much is clear to you. So that's all for today. Thank you.